Hello, superstars. How are you? Today, we are going to have fun blending CVC words together. Do you know what a CVC word is? It is a special word with three sounds, like hen. A CVC word is made up of a consonant at the beginning, a vowel at the middle, and a consonant at the end. Before we start blending, let's revise the sounds of the alphabet we will be blending today. I want you to say each sound after me. Are you ready? Let's go. Eh, ha, mm, mm, d, wo, b, g, p. Good job. So these are the sounds we will be blending today. Are you ready? Say after me as we blend together. Wo, e, b, web, web. Good job. Now let's move on to the next word. Say after me as we blend together. E, d, ted, ted. Now let's move on to the next word. Can you guess the next word? Let's blend together. P, e, pet, pet. Good job. Let's move on to the next word. Uh, e, s, let, let. Let's move on to the next word. G, e, s, get, get. Good job. Can you guess the next word? Let's blend together. D, e, mm, then, then. Good job. Let's try to blend this word too. Mm, eh, mm, man, man. Good job. Let's try to blend this word too. Oh. Eh, mm, pen, pen. Good job. Let's try this word too. Eh, mm, 10, 10. Wow, you did a great job. It is time to read fun sentences together. Read after me. The web had a gem. Ted has a pet. Let the pet go. Get the pet and the pen. The den had 10 men. Good job. You are officially a phonics superstar. Now we are going to recap the words we learned today. Say each word after me. Are you ready? Web, 10, men. You are doing a great job. Ted, met, let, pet, gem, den, bet. Now let's say the last word together. Get. Good job. You did a great job today. Now I want you to find CVC words around you. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.